At St. Louis Community College's School of Communication, Design, and Creative Arts, students discover and cultivate their talents and unleash their potential. From interpreter education to American Sign Language, St. Louis Community College's deaf communication programs offer both associate degrees and certificates of specialization, empowering graduates to work across professions and connect with communities of all ages. Students gain real-world experience through immersive coursework and community engagement, developing practical skills that are in high demand. Unleash your artistic potential in photography, graphic communications, interior design, and fine arts. St. Louis Community College encourages the intersection of creativity and communication while helping students build technical skills and confidence. A wide range of classes and degrees provide a strong foundation in both visual and performing arts. Through hands-on projects and faculty mentorship, students explore diverse mediums and techniques. This approach prepares them for careers, further education, or independent artistic pursuits. Planning to transfer to a four-year university? Our associate in arts degree sets students up for success, covering core requirements and paving the way for the next chapter at a four-year university. Are you not sure what you want to do? That's okay. Take a career assessment and learn more about job activities, skills and education, and salary information. Students choose St. Louis Community College for high-quality and affordable education, diverse programs, and strong support services that help students succeed and thrive academically and personally. Explore, express, excel. Your creative future begins at St. Louis Community College.